Market data connection re-established.
Analytic, it's called CMG. So the last 2 ERs they had, there was a gap and crab strategy that we used. And Ralph Lauren as well. I can show you an example of that one. So you see CMG report CR, gaps up, starts to come down, looking for 3-wave all the way back to 420, 440, and so this is called a gap and crab. Right, and it completed on some news that food poisoning, right? So this is an example for you. Another one that we traded was Ralph Lauren. Michael Kors is also a good one. So here you go. After a spike, you get a 3-wave. So you get first move down, up, ER gets pumped, and this is very nice. This is very nice. So they pumped Ralph Lauren to the previous high, right? They didn't explode Ralph Lauren. They didn't bring it up like 20% up. They brought it lower than the expected move. So this gives me more confirmation of the gap and crab, and then they bring it all the way. They tank it at open, and boom, you get this move down. Okay, but it must be part of a sideways thing. By the way, right now Ralph Lauren looks amazing for upside. Okay, let's go, guys.
All right, we have 8 minutes till the bell. VIX is showing signs of a risk on environment. The dollar is weak today, a little weak today, but still over 96 handle. So overall dollar strength story is still around. The yen looks like it's coming down slightly. NQ negative, ES negative, the Dow also negative. So the three major indices negative, and gold is actually up right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, it is.
It's well, yeah.
Well, slightly.
Yeah.
And like I said, VIX is showing possibility of risk on environment. So there could be a possible move up according to the pre-market, but we shall see what happens at the bell. Apple sitting at 201.41, so under the didn't it close at like 202 yesterday in the afters?
No, it closed at 201.50.
Okay.
It's down.
I was looking also Tesla and CMG. I mean, I feel like a fool not seeing it before, but Tesla has a topping formation, and
Yeah.
I see CMG also has a possible move down in it.
Yeah, CMG, yeah, possible move down. Yeah, you're right. But I would much rather take Tesla here, because Tesla looks like CMG like a month ago. where you had this move down, you think that's the one, they bring it all the way back up, and then they tank it. So that's and honestly, like Tesla moves more than CMG does sometimes.
Right, I just feel like TMG is a bit more consistent. I mean, every month you see these like 50-point moves over the course of a week, so it's just a matter of catching one. I feel like. Also, I want to say that CMG is currently a bit overextended over the 6, but you are right. It could just easily keep going up. I do see a possible move as well to 520, and it did break over the Darvis box. So if it broke over the Darvis box, there is that possibility of that move to
Ooh.
520.
Yeah, I also, what did SQ do? Is it up? Yes. Okay, this is very, wait, no. They didn't have ER?
SQ
No,
had
they
ER, I
haven't
believe.
reported. Did they report or not?
I believe they did, yes. Right?
Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna find, because my trading view is fucked. SQERs tomorrow, thank you. Yeah, I wanted to make sure. Good morning, DMC. DMC OHO. All my West Side homies. Oh, dude. They're killing the Turkish lira again.
Oh man. Okay, so that's usually a story for a move down.
Yeah. Keep that in mind. Well,
TLT, I think they're going to choose TLT up today as well.
yeah. Bitcoin Cash is also up.
Leave it to you and your crypto.
Hey. Chica D is also in Bitcoin Cash.
Ugh.
Good morning, Mike.
What up? Y'all want a short Tesla?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it gives us a move down, then yes. We'll get in on a pullback.
I'm long Tesla.
Okay. I mean, I put a friendly wager with my boy Neil that Tesla is going to 420 before going back down to 270, but wouldn't mind financing my bet.
Yeah, I'm looking for 80 this week.
So Apple now going green. Google showing signs of life. What's Amazon doing? I really want to take an Amazon long.
All right, but scale into that long. Scale in, please. Don't go like full position size.
Yeah, no, I don't intend to go full position size. Right now, it's at a kind of a pivot point. It keeps getting rejected off the 13 on the hourly, which usually a very bearish sign. Point of control right now is 1644 though, and we did close above the value area yesterday. The 1 week is showing a bottoming formation.
fuck is that? Okay.
Oh shit, but there's also a trend line here on Amazon that brings us to 1400 on the weekly. Interesting.
Whew. Ready for the morning bell.
All right, gentlemen, good luck. Let's see what the morning brings us. What's the VIX doing right now? Apple spiking in the morning here. Apple over 202. So VIX opened actually negative, no, I'm sorry, not VIX. The vol speed actually opened negative and actually is trying to go positive here. The Apple sitting at 202.40 right now. The VIX showing signs of buyers here, and the ADD sitting at negative 340 right now.
Grab some Adobe.
What are you, Adobe long or short?
Adobe 245 for this week. And following Sunshine. These contracts are fucking pricey.
Google going green. Apple not able to hold, it looks like. Apple looks like it wants to come down a bit. Vol speed going green. VIX is continuing to sell off here, and Apple now showing quite some strength. Wow, nice pump in the market here at the open.
Yo, Tesla puts? Tesla 300 for
Wow,
next month?
Amazon running.
Tesla puts, let's get them. Yeah, I think
And Google's running too.
yeah, Google fucking nice, dude. Yo, XLC. XLC is gonna explode. Cloud is also hot. Adobe, please.
Jumping into Amazon 1780 calls right here.
Look at SQ. I'll look at it after.
SQ looks really, really delicious.
The only problem is that they have ER, dude.
Yeah, but they're setting up for a squeeze right now. There's a squeeze forming on it. Google's are running. Amazon currently moving up. Apple down. My Apple position is down, but hey.
Google is exploding, dude. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Yeah, T-God is the best week ticker. If you're in Canada, you can buy this one. It's really good. Whew. Dude, get ready for that XLC boom. Alphabet 3% day.
Apple coming down. Apple can't hold the 204.
That's right. Apple short, Google long.
And I'm long Amazon as well right now.
Create that strangle.
It looks like Apple wants to continue to move up.
Dude, they're mooning Google. It's just printing for me. The call spread.
Yep, my calls are printing as well on Google, but it looks like they're also going to moon Apple. I'm thinking about whether or not I should cut the short side of things.
Mhm.
So the volume on YM is 19%, ES is 12%, and NQ is 19%. It's really low.
Those Amazon 1780 calls now $6. I entered at 560. I did not alert that. I just kind of rushed into it in the morning.
Oh yeah, man. Gold is looking really good.
Google
but
looking really, really good. Our Google calls right now can be sold right now for $4 from our $3 entry, from a $2.50 entry if you followed in yesterday, or even lower.
Yeah, man. I got Google 1160, 1170 for next week. It's a call spread, but it's amazing, man. And also,
I got the 1230s for December 7th.
Oh, sexy.
Those were as low as $1 yesterday.
Nice fucking trading. Looks like they're gonna spike Tesla. Wasn't expecting that.
Wow, great Amazon move. Holy crap, let's go.
Yeah, Adobe is up, but it's not moving. Can you make it move, Sanshon? Like, we all see that move to 247, 248, but it's not doing it.
My Amazon now 640. Sorry for not alerting that. That was a really, really fast trade.
It's all good. I think everybody's got some calls.
Yeah, and Google, holy crap, let's go.
Yeah, Google is. I think Google is better than Amazon at this point.
I think all I want to do is trade Amazon and Google from now on.
Look at Facebook. Oh my God. XLC, baby.
And Apple can't hold these levels, so maybe Apple can take a move down here.
I mean, what my strategy is to strangle. So I got some Apple puts and some Google calls. Because my thinking is that Google is going to be faster than Apple if we are to have a move to the upside or to the downside.
You are definitely correct in your thinking. That is for 100% certain. I think
Yep.
that the whole thing is that when Apple decides it wants to move, it really moves. Like last time, last ER, from that ER move, it moved, 40 points,
Nice.
right?
Yeah.
So
Nice
it's
trade.
all about that.
Yeah, nice trade, Chickadee, or
Chickadee.
SMH lagging. Oh yeah, XLC, dude. XLC. Fuck Fang. Well,
Google, XLC.
yeah, okay.
The G in the Fang.
Yeah, no, but I really think that Google
1650
is a
on
lot
Google.
better.
1650 on Google. Thank you very much. Holy crap. Let's go.
Oh yeah, 3% day. Let's print some money, guys. Tesla rip to the moon. Yeah.
Nice moves on Netflix.
CVS outperforming all the other healthcare stocks. I need to do some DD on the aero defense sector. But if there's a time where like Richard would be like, yo, should I buy RTN? I'd be like, yeah, now you can buy RTN. Now you can buy RTN.
So what? Are we gonna take a contract from $1 to $20 like we did in March?
I'm down, dude. If you're down, I'm ready. After they dump it on Trump speech, I think Twitter is also really interesting here. Nice 3-wave looking to pop above 36.
I think Twitter has a move to 40 in it. I think it's ready to go back to the highs. I think this is also, I want to point out the McClellan oscillator and the 8 and the 21 days. They're all currently on our side. Everything's kind of looking bullish. Everything. This is the first time in the McClellan oscillator where we have a cross of the 8 and 21 to the upside in a long time. So things should be looking bullish. Not saying that they are. It's just that things on the charts should be looking bullish.
Oh yeah, dude. Let Google do its thing, man. Let Google do its thing, man. Like
It is the morning volatility, so I have to understand that part of it.
yeah, but you're long Google. I mean,
yeah,
I kind of get it, but I hope like you trimmed some.
yeah, I trimmed some, but this trade looks like it's just not going to go in my favor, and I can put that into something else.
Are they for this week?
No, they're for November 23rd.
Oh, fuck, man.
See, they just it is what it is. They're already down 50% right now.
Okay, 50% is fine. I think.
Good, but goddamn, Amazon's doing really, really well.
Yeah, man, you should keep those as protection because you never know. If you have like Amazon calls and Google calls, you're fine, dude. Because Google and Amazon calls are just gonna overwhelm your puts for Apple. I mean.
Yep.
It's a tough choice. It really is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like, yes, I created the strangle, but then now it's about managing the risk in the strangle, right?
Yeah, of course.
Like
totally
I said,
get what you're saying.
Like the chartist in me says, yes, Apple has to go back to 195. That's what the chartist in me says. You know what I mean?
Yes, exactly.
Like I totally see that. So I'm like, you know, just throwing it out there. Okay, so now that the internals are open, we got the ADD sitting at 385. And that was a big move from the bottom to the top there for the nice, really long-bodied candle. The trends are 0.88 and 0.65 respectively. The VIX is sitting at 1920. We are looking like we are in a risk-on environment where everything should continue to move up. The vol speed looking like a move up is taking place as well. And we did open at the neutral and we did go positive. So as of right now, everything is looking more and more bullish to me. Wow,
Yo,
IQ 4% day on IQ.
Travis, are you break even on GLD? If you are, take it. Might not move. Okay.
Seeing a bit of pullback here. I just closed my Amazon call for scalp, $300 a contract. Looking for another entry into Amazon. Come on, will the chartist in me be happy, or will the bull in me be happy? So right now, vol speed showing still a trend to the upside. VIX is still showing sellers and showing a possible move to the downside. The ADD showing nice strength, and companies are actually going positive. Put call ratio sitting at the 10 DMA right now at 0.83.
You're gonna hate me for this next trade.
What are you doing?
Taking riot calls.
Good luck, sir. Last time I got burned on those.
Let's go Tesla.
Oh, hey, it's moving.
Let's see if we can finish that gap fill today.
Is that it for the move today? Are we done?
The volume still is shaky, man. ES is at 15%, NQ is at 24%. I'm looking at the bars right.
There are people buying 7C on Riot.
Damn, Amazon keeps on going. I think I want to chase back into another call.
That's what I've been looking at, Travis. The ADD's at 360 something with this type of push. Feels like there's only a few selected big names that are being propped up in this type of low volume. Shouldn't ADD be a little higher, like in the thousands, with this type of push?
Yep. I mean, it is kind of flimsy. That is definitely one way of putting it.
But the thing is, obviously all the tickers that we're playing are not saying so. So that's what's kind of throwing me off here.
Cancelled.
I mean, look at Amazon. It just keeps on going, right?
Right. That's what I'm saying. Like Apple, Amazon, they're all just pumping. Are these the only names that are being pumped up, right?
It looks like it. Like Amazon now, 1660. I jumped back into an 1845 call at 470. I'm currently up on those. They're currently now sitting at $5. 513. November 23rd, 1845 call, Amazon. Now 520.
Riot mooning.
Are you actually up on those riots?
Yeah, I mean, it's not moving, but there's a lot of people buying now. I promoted that trade to other chats, and there's people stacking the 5C right now. Yeah, I round the fucking bid up. Look at that shit.
If you work for the SEC, just, cover your ears.
Oh, yeah. You don't think that some people from the SEC don't do some shady stuff?
Of course. But the whole thing is like they don't go advertising it.
Oh, what happened to Neo?
Is it mooning?
Nothing.
IQ looks really, really interesting, right?
It does.
Little Dumperooski here. Is Amazon going to have a 4% day today? Is my question. Yeah, so the real stars today seems to be Amazon and Google, huh? I mean, there's absolutely nothing else to be trading.
Tesla.
Bitcoin.
Tesla breaks over 345 with any kind of strong volume, and it'll keep going. It's also got a squeeze going on the 30-minute. The 1 hour is preparing for a squeeze. 15-minute, 5-minute just squeeze.
Yeah, but if it reverses here, buy puts.
Yeah, if you're going to go into a put, even if you're long on Tesla, if you're going to take a hedge on Tesla as a put, you would take it right now.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, look at that. The bid is moving on, right?
All right, I just cleared another contract here. And Amazon looks like it wants to move up again. I don't think it's done for the day. So let's take a look at the algo scans now. So anyone watching on the stream, you'll also notice that there is like a miniature algo scan there on the stream as well. And essentially it tells you where the squeeze algos are in position and what position they are in, and whether it's the upside or downside, whether it's a 0 or a 1. And you have those scans also in the algo scan channel. And essentially that is going to tell us whether the underlying has a predisposition to move up or down. For instance, I'm looking at Amazon. Amazon is not scanning for anything. I look at AMD. AMD is currently in a time cycle 4 to the upside, which means that it has a predisposition to move down. Okay, so AMD has a move down within it overall. The reason why it has a move down in it is because position 4 is essentially a reversal of the trend. Essentially, there is a 68% chance of reversal of the trend to the upside or downside, depending on the 1 or 0 reading after it. The 1 or 0, essentially 1 means bullish, 0 means bearish. Position 1 would be, for instance, position 1 and a 1 would be we are bullish, and depending on the time cycle, whether it's a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, that would be the time frames we are bullish for. Generally, we stay bullish for 2 to 3 time cycles, and the fourth time cycle is usually a move to the opposite trend. So if there is a position for, say, on the weekly, and it's reading a 1, that means that there is a move to the downside in the underlying currently being built. And there is that 68% chance of the reversal to the downside.
Trends at 1.14.
Yeah, we have the trend moving up. Let's see. Internals are looking like they want to curl down. We have the put-call ratio sitting at 0.97, currently above the 10 DMA. We have the ADD sitting at 365. So right now the ADD is kind of flat. But the VIX is still showing the possibility of a risk-on environment. We had the ability to fill the gap on the VIX all the way down to 1868. And we shall have to wait and see if we get that fill on it. Google now coming down. It looks like all the major players are now coming down, and the volume is starting to leave. Vol speed looking to go red, and we have to wait and see what happens here at the 10:35.
Amazon, Google, and NASDAQ all fired 1 hour on EC.
You said 1 hour up?
Yep.
Yep, this is the pullback. It's a, generally this is the pullback we should be expecting from such a move in the morning.
AVGO also firing 1 hour long.
Yo, look at that. Now 100 people in that riot call. They bought the bid back to 5 cents.
I actually like AVGO, I think. I feel like we missed a big play in the morning, but I think there's still a possibility of getting into something big on AVGO. This could be, that seasonality that we usually see on AVGO, where we could have another move to the upside. Oh yeah, and we have a squeeze building as well here. I really like AVGO. I like the December 7 240 calls and the December 7 245 calls. I think those look really interesting to me. I would be looking to take these at the end of the day unless I see a possible move in the near future here. Apple coming down nicely. Our puts coming back to us. Let's see how far this pullback goes on Amazon right now, right? I think I want to take another Amazon trade. The trend sitting at 1.13, put call ratio sitting at 0.986, ADD sitting at 314. Dollar strength is still here. 6J just little negative. The NQ showing signs of strength, ES showing signs of strength, and gold showing signs of weakness, while the VIX is still in a risk-on environment. When is AVGO ER? Are we ready for an ER run on AVGO? Usually that's like the most successful ER run, and then everything dumps no matter what. Oh, hey, Tesla.
Adobe's just gonna keep on grinding.
Man, I want to jump right back into AMD calls. I feel like AMD is going to be the winner.
I've got 25 C's for this week on AMD.
Not AMD calls, sorry, Amazon calls. I'm looking at Amazon. I was looking at AMD for a second just because the news popped up. McQueen posted that. So now my head's thinking AMD. But I'm looking at Amazon, man. Amazon's just an easy payer.
Yeah, I know you, man. Like you print money when Amazon, like you milk Amazon money, but it needs to have this setup.
Yeah, I'm waiting
think-
for the next pullback. What I would really like is I'll move to 1120 on Google though.
Oh yeah,
You see it too, right?
oh yeah. Wow, USFD, nice. Ah, but they're tanking right now. Oh yes, please riot. I'm the only pleb buying this shit.
Too funny. Yeah, there's really nothing to do except like Amazon and Google. Absolutely nothing. I'm still holding my Apple puts, and I'm in Amazon and Google, and that's it. And IQ looks like it might want to pay me. I got 20 of these stupid contracts.
Now he's gonna make a reference to me.
Nope. I made money on the wins, by the way. I made a lot of money on those wins.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You averaged down?
I made about 9,000 on those wins.
Damn.
When that pop happened, the yin pop, that was like, damn.
Oh
No,
yeah, you like that though?
yeah, I did not see that coming. Did you see that coming? I don't think so. I think you sold your win, right?
No, I was in, but I broke even only
Oh,
because I
okay.
didn't average down.
Yeah, I averaged down. I made a couple thou.
Nice. I mean, dude, the thing is that yo, this thing was down so much. Like,
And it still is. It could still go up, you know? I mean,
yeah,
how much
but
more can it go?
okay, yeah, but okay, like it's fine. I mean, the lesson is just like we shouldn't have bought there. We should have waited for that spike, and now we should have been buying, right?
Right. Which is why I was like, I should wait for that. And then I was
Yeah,
like, you know, when we saw that bottoming formation, we could have like really loaded the boat and to get like fucking, you know, we would have gotten like easy 500-600% on that bullshit news pop.
yeah. But also, man, Hilton, did you see that shit?
Yeah, that you called the Naj pump a day before Naj pumped it. That was incredible. I wish we got into that.
No, but yo, it's like it reminds me of what Mike was saying. Like the pattern is ready because we broke the low, but it still kept on going down because of ER stuff, right?
Right.
And then it went all the way back up. Like, man, like these things are tough. It's
Yeah.
tough. It's like McDonald's or banks at the low. You know it's about to go, but
But when?
yeah, exactly. There's nothing to do, Travis.
So, not really going to be anything to do after the election.
No. Except to buy more crypto to pump my shit.
Let me know when Ethereum's back over 2,000.
Dude, ETH is good now. Look at that shit.
A lot of people are right now bullish. So Baba calls. China deal coming yet?
I'm all for it. I'm following you on that one, but I don't think it's good to take them now.
Yeah, the move already happened. The only way you'll make money on this one is if you do the Amazon. Just play a spread on a really, really expensive contract.
Yeah.
But I do see a possible move over 150 on Baba. That move over 150 on Baba could be quite nice.
Oh yeah. Definitely since China's really beat up, so it has the most ground to run. Oh yeah, NBEF is looking good. I'm gonna add that right now. VS, thank you.
Oh, I see that pattern.
Oh yeah, this is easy, dude.
Yeah, it's looking to go back to the 6-7.
Yep.
InBev. Oh, here's a nice one.
What calls do you have, Mike? I'm gonna short your premium.
What calls do I have?
Yeah, I'm gonna write your contracts.
I have 405s for next week.
IWM is even going red to green, so it looks like this is a real pump. Looks like we're gonna
A
get some
little pump?
strength here. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get real strength. What are we taking? 5 for November on MBEV?
That's what I'm looking at.
Lots of volume on those.
Fucking Canadian weather.
Cold up there? Travis, don't do anything. Sit on your hands until you find that A++. You got this.
Yeah, just playing SPX right now is not the best.
So IWM is green, right? As long as IWM stays green, this could be showing some real strength in the markets. What we have here, the trade is still 1.15. The vol speed showing flatness with possible trending up. Just very, very slow grind today. ADD still remains positive, and the put call ratio now 1, 0.9973. So there is some bearishness coming into the markets. However, the VIX is now sitting at 1898, so we're now under that 19 handle, showing us risk on environment still in play, right? And there is the possibility of even moving down to 1868, which is the previous support. If we break under that 1868 mark, well, we have a possible bull run happening, and we can essentially try to play dartboard markets.
No, Alphabet's looking too good, dude. Alphabet is just...
Wow. So I just got an alert from another service saying that they're looking for Avgo 245. So there you go.
I think I like Avgo too. Let me see it.
I like how we see it before everybody else does.
Oh yeah, yes, yes, yes. It's similar to NBEV.
Avgo?
Yeah, the pattern.
I guess.
Order filled.
Dude. Um.
What are you doing here?
Love you, baby.
VIX is at 1895.
I put the bagel in the oven,
Uh-huh.
and I just I turn around and it start to be a lot of smoke. I have to open all the windows and all the door and everything, like crazy, like so much smoke. All the house, like right now you see it's a lot of smoke, and I just turn it on like
Tesla new high of day.
4 minutes.
That's weird.
So I don't know if something was like in the back because it was like, so I don't know, we cannot use the oven to recreate it.
Shit.
It says if you can buy like a small
Toaster oven?
toaster, yes, but like a small oven, you know, like a small one.
Huh.
Pepe, come here.
Dragos, that is a go. That is a go, go, go.
Pepe,
Okay, thank you. I like this setup.
Huya, IQ, BILI, they're all a go. XNet, a go. All go.
Richard, I'm gonna send you a picture. Tell me what the hell this is.
Someone has cold feet? Algo fuckery?
That makes no sense, does it?
Algos do weird shit. Who knows?
I didn't know if since it was an odd number like that, if it, you got that list of numbers.
No, no, no. It's the numbers you got to look for are like I think it's 498, 499, 501, 502, 503.
Gotcha. NIO had earnings.
Yeah, dude.
Didn't know that. They're ripping.
And and Tesla's gonna rip with them probably.
They ripped and puked. Tesla new high a day. Tesla is looking to complete the gap fill yesterday that it had. We're sitting at the top of the gap right now. Just broke it over that gap just now.
Whales are buying IWM.
Where's Samsung? That guy keeps on sleeping.
I think he made a lot of money on SPX last week, so he doesn't need to work anymore.
Oh my god. When your portfolio is weed and crypto.
Come on, Tesla, squeezy, squeezy.
There is a big wall at 348 on the L2. One hour is entering squeeze on Tesla.
Yo, Dragos, maybe instead of XNet, we look at Bzune.
Okay.
I mean, I do understand what you're saying, like, how low can XNet really go? But I'm being told that Bzune is going to be given probably the most love of all the Chinets.
Mm.
Baba and Bzune, and Huya.
Yeah, man, I'm down to swing some calls EAD.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. I think I want to take some Bzune or some other China exposure end of day.
Yeah, because market pullback here.
Oh yeah, Apple puts. Let's go.
So if you're on a 60-minute on SPX, you can draw a trend line. And likely if we eat today's move, we're coming back to 27,000.
Wow, Apple, nice move down here. Nice move down across the board, really.
Order cancelled.
All right, so we got the tick positive, the ADD at 408. The dollar is still strong. Put call ratio now at 1.0015. The VIX is currently at 1905, so back above the 19 handle. Overall, we are still in what looks to be a risk-on environment. The market just taking a little minor pullback here. The trend, however, is at 1.23, leading us to believe that there should be a midday pullback or end-of-day pullback for profit taking. And that is kind of what we're looking for today. So I don't expect really any moves today. Perhaps we kind of stay at these channels here. And I'm positioning myself for a pre-ER run in Avgo right now.
Wow, what the fuck? I was waiting for Apple to come to 225, but it doesn't want to give me that.
Tesla
Shit
behind
is.
it. We're approaching the 348 area. That is going to be a major area for us, and then 349.20 is a possible double top if you're in Tesla with me. Those are the areas we're looking at. We want to see a strong breakout over these levels and a holdover that would allow us to move to 380 and basically a lane change for that next leg up. Huge wall at 348.
So Apple still under that 4-hour Keltner. Apple still looks very, very weak. The whole market looks kind of
Weird.
weak and weird. Yeah. Currently, still only thing I'm going to be holding right now, I think, is the Avgo, and I'm looking to possibly take a full position size by end of day on Avgo. Otherwise, I don't see any setups right now for any long-term plays, but I am looking at Avgo as a possible pre-ER run play. I believe that Avgo has a move to 240 in it, so I took the 245 call to hold for at least a couple of days to see if we can get something to develop from there. And otherwise, I'm not really trying to rush into any trades today. Already scalped Amazon just a little bit. Sorry I did not alert those. Those were kind of like really, really fast, high risk. The contracts were around like $5 a pop. And I'm looking to just hold on to Avgo for now. And I still have my Apple puts as a hedge for the market. And again, just not trying to get into anything right now. Vol speed still showing a grinding up pattern, so we're slowly moving up, and we should continue to do so throughout the day. So this should be just a minor pullback. However, the trend is showing the possibility of a move down, so we have to monitor that. The VIX is currently sitting at the 19 handle, and if the VIX breaks down to 1868, which is the previous low, we could see some fireworks to the upside.
I'm looking at Netflix 300.
P?
Well, it just has a target. I don't know if they're gonna drop it now, but this is where I would 300. I would buy some calls. But for downside, I'm not sure if they're likely to drop it now. So I'm fine with holding my P's on Apple as well. It's all about it, like how fast they drop Apple. If they don't drop it fast enough, I'll just have to get out. But it's good that you held on to your P's because, like, you never know how fast they're gonna drop it, and right now we're in a sideways move.
Right, and the only thing that I'm kind of annoyed with him is that I am kind of down on those about 40%. So that is kind of annoying. I have the option right now to average down, and that'll bring my average down to the point where I would be down about 33%. So it's like, do I want to take that risk, the additional risk for a better average, or do I want to just wait it out and see if these things come, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Tesla tested at 348 on first attempt here. Rejected it. It's going to pull back, which it already has. Looking for a possible flagging pattern here on the 5-minute going into later this afternoon. See what we get out of this flag. and then look for the multiple tests of 348. Looking for at least 2 more tests would be my guess.
Amazon is currently in an ET to the upside to 1714. And it is currently attempting to create a squeeze. I believe Amazon could actually make that kind of move. I'm gonna wait for the bottom of this to try to catch this pullback and maybe take this up. Just watching the price action, I think that this could be a rather nice move to the upside on Amazon if it were to go for it.
Apple entered a fire one short on 3-day.
Yeah, let's see what it does here. Might be consolidation for more upside.
But the thing is, NQ is now scanning for a bias on the one.
Yeah, some weird stuff happening because some stocks are dropping really fast, but the market is not coming at all. Yeah, the Dow is just too strong. IBM, yeah.
Oh, hey, Avgo. Who got in Avgo with me? Did anyone get in Avgo with me?
Nope.
Jesus Christ, people.
We'll get it back down, dude. Don't worry. Patience is a virtue. Those alerted. But if you're not in, wait for pullback again.
Yeah, if you're not in,
Don't
wait for a
jump in.
pullback. Don't chase anything.
Yeah, don't chase it.
You can essentially trade around your core position on these. Essentially, if you have a bunch of these, you can buy and sell them high low on the spreads. Chances are they will get filled as volume starts to enter these for a possible pre-ER run. Yes, Travis, good call. Travis called that Amazon dead. He was like, it looks weak, and he was right. It was very weak.
Yeah, it's just a pullback. Look at Netflix. Netflix is the one dying now.
Yep. Yeah, I did get out of those BA 380 calls. I got out of them a bit early, unfortunately. I believe they're still, they're not, I would not really consider them in play at this point because we had such a crazy move down. I did get out of those. I alerted yesterday that I was looking to get out of those on a graceful exit. Apologize for not alerting my actual exit. It's really tough to call. I don't see BA going to 380. So I would personally probably drop them. Looking for the next move up, next little spike up on BA and just get out. And if you want, you can repivot, but I'm not chasing into a position in BA just yet. I'm looking to take the Avgo positioning because I think that Avgo could be a real winner, has a real good move up in it. Avgo has a really nice setup, and it has the pre-ER run. So we are getting in a bit early for the pre-ER run, but if Avgo makes the move I think it can make, I believe we can already make about 20 to 30% on these contracts tomorrow.
So, what time is the election?
This evening.
Can we trade it?
No.
No?
No, there's, I mean, you can swing stuff overnight if you want.
No, but futures. Don't know if they're open at the time where election starts.
Oh, yeah, they'll be open.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you can trade it on the future.
Yeah, the show is fake.
The pump.
Yeah, it's like I was mentioning low volume and all day, and it's still at 39% on NQ, 26% on ES. Volume died out in the first hour. Usually it lasts for 2.
So what do you mean, Billy? More Apple puts and more Riot seized?
I think the Apple puts are still a hold, obviously, from here. I've been talking to Richard about it. Still hasn't recaptured the bottom counter on the 4-hour,
Yeah,
and got rejected pretty hard on the daily.
Yeah, no, I would have been really sad if Richard had gotten shaken out of these puts.
Yeah, no, those were great insurance for all the calls that were in.
Okay, so now we need to monitor Netflix because I'm pretty sure they want to bring Netflix back down to 300. So Apple should be coming down while Netflix comes down.
Netflix is in a fired 1 short on the 4-day, but it is also fired 4 shorts on a 3-day and a fired 3 short on the 1 week. I'm getting mixed signals though, because NQ is scanning for a long bias on the 1 day. With the yen also scanning for a short, which is weird, right?
Yeah, the yen.
Yeah, it's like scanning short all across the board, like literally on all time frames. It's crazy. It's either in a short or scanning for a short.
Mm-hmm. I can't tell you what the yen wants to do now.
Hey, Billy, can you check the member section on the website? Is the option flow tool working?
Quite honestly, I don't even have access to that. I don't even know how to get it there.
Did you make an account and I'll just give you the access.
I registered one, but I just don't know how to even approve it.
I'll set it up right now. Okay, try now.
Yeah, I'm a scammer, right? Riot.
Check now.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, those contracts that you're looking at, man, Travis, they don't look at these contracts.
So I'm in the account. It just says manage memberships. I don't see anything else.
When you click member section on top, you don't see it?
I don't see anything. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Never mind. So I see the workspace version 2 on here.
Reload it. Try now. I need to adjust it and fix it a little bit, but it is there.
I see the word option flow tool there, but oh, there it goes. Okay, so I clicked into it and let me try it. Okay. Let me compare and see if this is the whole list. Doesn't seem like it, right?
What is this Riot bullshit? You don't know the way of the Riot.
Oh, that is pretty much the full list, Richard.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna need to adjust some stuff because the background is weird on every other row, right? So
Yes.
I need to adjust the CSS on that.
So smart, dude. Let me check Sanchuan. Yeah. Sanchuan, VMW is scanning on the 1 day for a long bias, 4 day down bias though, and also the weekly down bias. And it's currently in a fire 4 short on the 3 day.
Amazon showing some strength.
Cron's on the option flow website. 145K multi sweep on a $9 November. Another 136K block.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just trying to edit the CSS here. That way the actual thing looks right. Right now it does not.
Wow, a lot of bearish flow on Wells Fargo, but
Ignacio. Yeah, it's my mom. My mom. Shut up, Travis. I took her IRA and I went all in, right? Alright, but seriously, can we get well, I think our boy Porter's gonna break even on Hun. XLB. Out of nowhere, chemistry's hot. When Mike yawns, you know you have to get out.
Waiting on Tesla, man. Waiting on this flag to complete on Tesla.
Yeah, it's looking bullish.
Bullish as fuck.
Oh yeah.
This 348 break's gonna be like an accelerator, I think. You don't have a little.
Every time it drops, man, it's getting bought up.
Do you see that 5-minute candle?
Let me look at it.
Oh, hey, Avgo, now 411.
you had those four red candles, nice little doji there, and then it just ripped that engulfed the 3 candles.
Richard, it's I can see everything now, but the color is still kind of off.
Yeah, I don't like the color. I'm gonna have to change things around here. I gotta change the even slides.
Holy shit, Richard! Look at SYMC.
Am I gonna be upset?
Yeah.
Holy shit, I am upset. I knew
It's
it.
gonna
I told
cover
you
that
guys.
$30 fucking gap.
Told you, motherfuckers. No one wanted to listen to me.
Cooked. Wait till Riot fills all of its gaps. Wahahaha. Oh my god, Spencer. Hello.
Oh shit, they got paused due to volatility too.
Semantic?
Yeah.
No, I see them still moving.
Well, they got paused, but they got resumed as well.
Oh,
5
okay.
minutes.
Wait, when is that when did that company started trading? Last year?
Nothing to see here. Only 300% IV. All calls, all strikes are fucking like $5. Doesn't matter what strike you're looking at.
Holy shit, that pullback on the yen. Guys, careful.
Yeah, but man, that move on Semantic happened out of nowhere.
Yeah,
Like, come on.
it's freaking insane. They had a couple. Well, I guess they had a couple of price target increases last week, but still.
Are we chasing it? Dun, dun, dun. Now I'll just add more Riot.
Starbucks still looks strong.
You still in that, Billy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Starbucks is strong as fuck.
AMD is approaching a squeeze and is going to challenge for an EC on the daily, either today or tomorrow. I like it.
Can you guys tell your friends to buy more crypto, please?
No, don't do it. It sounds like boiler room already.
That picture fits you just well after you said that. At first, I was doing it because you keep on rubbing your hands, but now you're being a little devil talking about crypto.
What the fuck?
I think Semantic's going to be a sell here, actually, believe it or not.
They do robots?
Semantic? No, it's their cybersecurity. Check the option flow now, please.
Check it. Nice.
So there you guys go. You guys now have option flow.
A
Hey, only for the members of the Hush Trader.
right now 20% on the day.
Okay, there you go. Option flow is now up there for everyone to use. It is a essentially curated list of option flow that strikes across our bows. You can now go through it if you're a member, and you should now be able to see all that beautiful, unusual activity that goes on throughout the day, all sorts of different strikes. This is only version 1 of the tool. There will be a second version of the tool which will actually be which will allow you to access a wide range of history, about 6 months of history. Right now, this is only limited to currently the past couple of days of flow. Hey,
How
baby.
much my mom can charge for that paint like she did of Pepe? Like that paint for you, how much she can charge if she do like that paint? If we pay for her like her that we paint that, how much she can charge?
I would say between 200 and 300.
300,
Like 200 to 300.
$300. Di mami, esos son cuántos.
Go on Etsy. Tell her to make you can make an account on Etsy. Tell her to do that. But she's gonna have to like she can't just send it like that. She has to get a tube
Of
and
course,
yeah.
like
There's a
I'm
lot of call
understanding her.
volume
Like,
Yeah.
she can
Tesla.
do that for work. Like
Yeah.
she can, and she is like, okay. Yeah.
What is the flow on Riot? Can someone tell me?
On Riot.
Yeah.
No ride flow.
November 9th, 2.5 Cs, calls 131. November 16th, 2.5 puts, 194.
Maybe we could.
Mike, do you have access to it now?
So what?
To the website?
Let me look. Nope, I still do not have access to members area.
The way you do it, Billy, is you go into the customer area, you find the person, and you add gold to their tags, and they get gold membership.
Okay, let me try that.
Yeah. What the hell is a buy right?
Are you
When-
serious? We
when-
already told you.
We explained this to you multiple times. When someone buys equity and then sells contracts on their equity, with the intention of the actual equity staying flat, so that way they actually get a better price for their equity.
Gotcha. $6,000 buy rights on April 19 for AMD at $20.
Oh, is it because I need to be logged into the? Is there like a main login for this website? As far as that,
No, you got to.
You have the permission. Who do you? I need to add Mike to the members.
Yeah.
I don't. hold on. I don't see him here. Mike, did you create an account on hushtrader.net?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna message you.
yeah, I don't know if I have access to that since I created an actual email instead of using the one with admin.
Well, the admin side of it only matters on the back
Oh, also, we have to make sure that we take off the people who unsubscribed off the gold under their customers.
Yeah. Can you screenshot what you're looking at there? I'll go back to sleep, guys. Wake me
Yep.
up when that shit is over.
Ain't nothing happening.
Oh my god, dude. Fucking me. Lithium is up.
Symbol filter. Billy, what do you see on this option flow?
What do you mean? What do I see?
I just got a gray screen. It says symbol filter and reset, but nothing comes up.
You don't see the iframe?
Nope.
That is weird. Hold on. Let me refresh. Whatever I post in the chart, I mean, in the chat room is what you should see.
Yep. Don't see that at all.
You just see filter and reset?
Yep. Let me try it in Chrome.
Oh, hey, Elon. Just making a post there?
Alright, I'm buying Tesla calls. Fuck it.
Elon made a post.
Yeah, he tweeted.
All right, yeah, it works in Chrome. It does not work on any other iExport. But I like this.
This object is simply a piece of another.
See, I couldn't get the iframe to work for some reason when I was coding it.
Wild move on Tesla at the moment. On the 1 minute.
What did Elon tweet?
He's like, hi guys.
Pretty much.
He's saying Tesla 420 soon. So,
It'd be great if he actually said that.
I mean, look at the bull flag. Like,
I mean, I see the bull flag. I agree with you.
you know. I think it's like 11:40 when he has his pause. Is the break. He starts tweeting. Anybody from the lows of today? That'd be insane if you're still holding. Trying to get the 360Cs essentially, but I can't get filled. USFD. LML. USFD. Bam. Order's still none.
Yeah, Billy, Mike, there will be a new computer up later today with algos and all that stuff that we can start working on, and hopefully we can get that up within the next week or two for the members.
Sweet.
Nice.
Make sure not to turn off the one that has motive wave on it. We're gonna need that one back up so I can get some of my script. I just really want to get the Tesla one off. There's all I care about. The other ones I can create. All right, Tesla. Oh, it's so squeezy. Squeezy.
Yeah, I'm trying to get filled for 265 here on the 360s.
For this week, that's a really good play.
I mean, I want to get some exposure.
Shit.
I think it's ready to pop.
It has to get over that 348 area.
Delta's kind of gay though,
It's Tesla.
because if we drop to 343, we're gonna lose like 25%. But
Yeah, Tesla.
eh,
You pay $900,000 in theta if it doesn't go your way, and if it goes your way, you make 100.
not anymore. Not anymore.
They're not as bad as they were, but it's still
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Yeah.
hungry.
I would love 347 break right now.
All right, gentlemen, I'm going to step away here for a few minutes. I'm just happy that the option flow is up for you guys now, and you guys can actually see the option flow. Like, for instance, that SPY bullish multi-sweep that just came in for 200K. You guys can now see that, and I don't need to always call out every single thing. So that's pretty cool, and you guys can actually see any particular tickers you want to see if they come up. Like Mutinix came up, and more SPY, and EA came up, and all these great tickers came up. So you can make some decisions now.
I don't think we're gonna get the 347 break just yet. I think we need to flag a little more. Let me look at the 1 minute, see what you're looking at.
Unfortunately, you need to refresh it manually. I can set it to refresh manually for you guys every, say, a couple of minutes, but then you lose the filter. It's just, the way it is, unfortunately, right now. We're still working on a better method.
No, I'm leaving oil alone. Yeah, I've looked, of course. I got taken out, and I'll look to get back in on a lower move, I guess.
Billy.
If he starts tweeting, okay.
Hey, Dragos.
What's up?
Do you remember the time frame that Tesla had to pick a new chairman by?
Nope. Oh, November 16th.
Was it November 16th?
Retail banking.
Damn, did my server already go down for the option flow?
It's a white screen for me right now.
Damn, okay, let me fix that. Alright, well, that was fast. You guys already took it down.
We all in it. We all in it.
All right, guys, I'll be back later. I'm gonna let Tesla develop and
Buy some Himni.
Oh God. Always trolling me, Dragos, huh?
You gotta. Hey man, I'm putting this up there. We're gonna see Himni at like 4 cents, and we're gonna be like, why? Wait till Dries gets to 5. No, not Dries, Riot. By the way, Richard, what was the agriculture pumping dump you were playing last time this summer?
What happened?
The rice pumping dump that you were playing this summer.
Oh, geez, I don't remember anymore. Dude, it was like a quick 5-minute play. I don't even remember, bro. Honestly, I can't.
Okay.
All right, option flow is fixed, guys. Sorry about that. My server went down from all the people accessing it.
They're buying up the yen here. Yo, just like that, dude. I pumped my Riot C in the that's just like that. The contracts are up 100%.
Totally not illegal.
Hey man, it was the underlying. Fucking UFC.
Too funny. You guys. All right, I'm gonna step away here for lunch. I'm gonna go get myself some shepherd's pie. Enjoy myself a little Irishness, and I will be back. Enjoy the option flow tool. I'll be back around 12:45 or so.
Wow, that meeting was quick, Sunshine.
yes, I'm not gonna stay up late and play video games. Server's down.
Video games are boring.
Whatever.
Nice call on Kron. That shit is solid. Oh my god, dude. I think my dad is in BOXL, but I think he took the break even. He didn't hold it. Wow. Whoa. Yo, where's Richard? Yeah, man. Always, when it's my birthday, you gotta buy crypto. Always goes up on the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November. Yeah, I got that from a lot of people. They always troll me with that shit. I didn't even know that was a movie, man. And I had to get a girl to tell me, oh yeah, you know this movie? And I'm like, no. And she made me watch it. Yeah, the movie is good, man. The movie suits me personally too. I would I kind of resemble the guy. What the fuck? Porter's like, I wish I still had my oil short. Oh, guess I have to go. Some girls asking me out. Doesn't matter, man. Retail can pump Apple. Retail can pump Riot, but not Apple. Dude, you're fucking weird. What the fuck?
Can someone send Steve Jobs a rotten apple, please? Oh, oops. Tim Cook, my bad. That was my bad. What a low blow.
Whoa, Mara. The Mara pumps. Are you holding a Starbucks equity?
I sold him.
Okay.
His options.
You had the OTM, huh?
Yeah, I played the I chased into the gap and go after post ER,
Mm.
and then I doubled and tripled.
What do you mean you were done?
It was up. I didn't take it, and then it came back down. I just bought more because it still looked strong, like a bull flag.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then bought some
Nice.
more after that, and then just cashed.
Yeah, this thing is looking super strong. Keep an eye on Starbucks. Oh, Tesla's ready. All right, I'll step away as well to get lunch. I think shit's looking good. I enjoy Riot. Calls are up 100%, and hopefully gets pumped some more. Hashtag scams.
Whoa, what is up with the spread on the Avgo contracts? 260 to 580. What is that? Wow, what a move on Amazon. Looking like it's going right back to 1665. Whoa, big blocks on AMD, blocks on SPY. AMD announces EPYC processors now available on Amazon Web Services. That's why AMD is going up? Holy crap. Wow. So Volspeed's still looking like it's trending up. Overall, the trend is to the upside. The VIX sitting at 1895. Overall, looking like we are still in a risk-on environment, and things are overall bullish. The 10 DMA on the put-call ratio sitting where it is, where the put-call ratio is, and the ADD slightly positive. We are only positive 477. So with this big bull run in the market currently happening, the ADD is not really reflecting the level of which we are running, I don't think. So just cautious optimism going forward.
What is going on with AMD making me log back in here?
They're now available on Amazon Web Services, so they're way up.
Yeah,
Their
I took
processor.
a little 3-cent contract and I'm up 200% on it.
So your 3-cent contract is up 9 to 9 cents.
Yeah, man.
That's great. You just covered your commissions.
My commission was $1.
by the time I logged in, it was all gone. Why did that not let me? Oh, it is challenging for the EC right here. There's the EC. See if we can hold it.
So AMD closes above 20. We are essentially bullish on AMD. It closes below 1950. We are bearish on AMD.
Just had a 100 sweep on the 22 Cs for this week on AMD. Just came across.
ES is at 35% volume. NQ is at 51%. Trends at 1.35.
Sell it all. Let's see this drop. Let's see it.
I'm waiting patiently.
Google still very, very strong. Amazon very strong. Avgo still very, very strong.
Yeah, trend is 1.35, but trend Q is at 0.87.
Oh, we got some bullish sweeps on Snap for this week. Semantic bullish sweeps, AMD bullish, SPY bullish. A lot of bullish stuff going into the markets right now.
Order cancelled.
Looks like Tesla's breaking out here too. Here's the 347 that Dragos was looking for. It looks like the flag's breaking to the upside. Want to see a retest of 348 on Tesla.
Baby?
My love, I'm leaving. I just bought Pepe, okay?
Okay, love you.
I love you, my love.
Guess what? Is Regos
What
here?
up?
I'm getting word that we're gonna see 360 on Tesla this week, most likely, according to Prince.
I would agree with that. I'm looking for 380 test.
Yeah, they're saying get weekly 360s and 370s. Those are likely to pay out.
Order filled.
New high of day on AMD.
Elon Musk is tweeting. I repeat, Elon Musk is tweeting. All right, so I'm gonna step away. When I come back, Tesla will be 360, right, guys?
Sounds good to me. Tesla's now over 348. I'm going to go ahead and try to close my AMD here. All right, close my AMD 300%. Look at Tesla here. Tesla went over 348 there for a second, tapped over it, pulled back under. Hard rejection, hard bounce back. All right, that was that second test I was looking for. Let's see a pullback now on Tesla, and then one more push up to the 348 area in the breakout.
Oh, hey guys. So, looks like nothing's happening. Looks like our Google calls that we picked up the other day are doing just fine. Looks like Tesla wants to make a move, but trying to shake out as many hands as it can before it makes that move. I'm also looking at Tesla to, did it enter position yet? One second. Oh, yes. Guys, Tesla officially entered position 1 on the 1 week cycle. We are going to probably get a massive move in Tesla, and it's still scanning for the 1 month. So I want to position myself to take advantage of this Tesla play, right? So I'm going to probably add more Tesla for probably, I want to say, a week or two out in order to take advantage of this TC7.